So you can set departments on this machine. Departments are your different groups for your items. So for example, your cold drinks will go under the group called cool drinks. So to set that, you just simply go to settings, then you'll see departments. Then from there, you can press on an empty department like that, or add a new one if you need to. So in this case, we're gonna just add edit the one that's existing here. So to edit it, you're gonna press on the little pen over there in the corner. Then we just remove the name and change it to whatever we need. So maybe we'll say fast food. And then you'll see here, you can also select a kitchen printer if you have one connected. So for example, if you have one kitchen printer connected, you'll say one. And then on the bottom here, you'll notice where it says label print. So if you want the items in that group to be printed on the labels as well, you can select that option. And then you press on the save button there. And then that's how you do your departments.